welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. We are going to do a paycheck budget with me. This is for the month of April, and this is April's first paycheck. We are starting with our salary, and this is how much I am taking home. Again, this is not how much I get paid. This is just how much I am allotting myself to budget with. And that is $18.66. That's from my full-time job. And then I'm also going to put my teacher's pay teacher because I need to also budget this money, even if it may not be as much as I would like. But it is a total of $1.96. Grateful for any penny that comes my way because I'm going to live in abundance. So altogether, this is how much we have to work with. Scratch that. I forgot there's a PayPal fee. So it's $1.71. But again, abundance. This is what we have to work with. Now I'm going through my expenses. So these are my bills. Fixed income. I don't like that term fixed income because it's technically not fixed depending on the bill. And I don't need those bills unless it's like household payments like electricity, rent, and all that things. Like the class pass, that's not a need, so it's not fixed. And then sometimes bills fluctuate. This is a rant. Let me just stop while I'm ahead. So we have class pass as one of our expenses. Then we have rent. That is going to be at a total of $750, girl. Then we have HBO Max. I will forever call it HBO Max. I don't care what they say. And that is $16. So I just want to preference that this is a single income budget, but this is not a single income household. So as far as like the rent, that is my portion of the rent. It's not the whole rent. But the things you'll see is what I am in charge of, what I take care of. So it is a single income budget, but not a single income household. So just to clarify. My credit card is at $318. I truly want to get rid of it so bad because I'm hearing that Capital One is taking over and buying Discover. And I don't know. My husband has Capital One and I'm not a big fan of them. And I don't want their customer service on my Discover. I don't know. Now we have Audible for $15, iCloud, which again, I say every time I do my budget, I don't know what I'm paying for iCloud, but $3 is supposedly coming out of my account for this bill. So that means our total is $1,159.48, leaving me with $708 to budget and divvy down between my cash envelopes and my sinking funds. So starting with my cash envelopes, my car gas, groceries and toiletry, and self-care, eat out. So these are like my main cash envelope categories. This is how much I'm going to budget, but I'm going to have to do this all over again because I forgot to add in daycare, which is something I am responsible for, and that would be 2 weeks worth of daycare. And right about now is when I start to realize, this number seems a little big. Something's wrong. So here I am adding daycare to my fixed expenses. And this is something I typically do a lot. I always forget to budget for daycare. And then I'm like, oh, I forgot about that again. It's still semi-new. And then I made a oopsie. It's not supposed to be $420. It's supposed to be $450. but that's okay because we were on spring break, so technically I was trying to get a week ahead in daycare expense. So I should be good for the week and then just have extra money to be a week ahead. So this increased my total expenses and also decreased my leftover, which is the money I am to use to disperse between my cash envelopes and savings. This is where savings get a little tricky because I'm gonna need gas for my car. I'm gonna need groceries to feed my family, and I think I deserve a self-care day. At least a little eyebrow done, something. So here I am readjusting the numbers. Gas has to stay the same. It's $50, and grocery is $100 compared to the $200. $200 would have been great, but it is what it is. And self-care is $7. Eat out is $0. I need to make sure eat out is $0. Because sometimes I budget $0 and it be $200. It's so expensive to Uber Eat and DoorDash. So this is what I'm left with to save, $131, and I'm going to write all my sinking funds, well, as many as I can list down, that I would be contributing to from this 138, and you'll see in the next clip my breakdown for my sinking funds. So this is my breakdown of my budget. My couples goals got 10, giving got 10, remix got 81. If you didn't know, my car was hit from the valet parking garage, and gonna have to put in a claim, or they would have to fix it. Heavy on trying to get them to fix it. Travel is 5, home is 10. Travel is another 5. I double put travel. Self-care is, I believe that was 10. So right now I'm just highlighting the things that I need to take out in cash. Daycare is paid completely in cash, and my sinking funds are in cash. Self-care for that $7 is going to be in cash because I don't want to get a card fee for a $7 eyebrow job. Don't feel like doing that. So now time for my cash stuffing. See you in the next one. Bye.